Hi, everybody. This is Matt and Jordan. We are here in Lesson 2, Part 2, and we have questions 11 and 12, and it deals with geography and chromosomes, Wallace and Wagner and Thomas Hunt Morgan. So the question, or what we're supposed to do is describe the primary work of the individual relative to the topic, the date associated with the individual's life or work, and the relevance of the discoveries made to evolutionary thought. So we're starting on number 11, Wallace and Wagner. So Wallace and Wagner, they both pioneered biogeography, which is the study of how species are scattered across the planet and how they got there. So they connected it to evolution. And one thing that was really cool was in 1915, Wagner actually noticed that fossils that were pretty much identical were separated by, say, like the Atlantic Ocean. And this kind of led him to discover that the continents were actually, at one point, all together. And knowing this has given us great insight into the evolution of the animals and kind of what's happened as the continents have spread apart. So that's a little intro on him. So we're going to move on to question 12.
So question 12, with chromosomes mutation and the birth of modern genetics, this is Thomas Hunt Morgan, and he was famous for fruit flies. That was his big thing. Through his study of fruit flies, he found a red-eye gene and a white-eye gene and how they could come from parents of different variations there. And so he figured out the whole heredity idea and how genes are based off of chromosomes, and how this links to evolution is that such small changes can occur quickly. And, let's say the fruit flies like he was studying, and that study was done in 1910, by the way. But those small things could change over time. And so, that whole theory of over millions of years, how much more could change, how we could see, land animals become sea animals and vice versa. And so that's a little bit into both of those, Wallace and Wagner and Thomas Hunt Morgan. And again, this has been questions 11 and 12 for you.
Okay, I think that's it. I'll upload those to the discussion board tonight.
Okay.
Let's do it right after. And I think that's all we need to do, right?
I believe so.
Okay, awesome. I think we have one more week
comment
together.
So yeah, it sounded like we'll switch quite a bit, but I don't know. I'm open most nights after about 6:15 usually.
Okay, sounds good.
So, whatever works for you.
Sounds good. Well, thank you very much.
Yep. Talk to you later.